Embark on an extraordinary student life at Oxheys Court Preston, where exceptional accommodations redefine your university experience. Choose from a variety of convenient non-ensuite rooms, each featuring a cozy bed for unwinding, a desk and chair for focused studying, and stylish, spacious kitchen areas ideal for communal cooking. A wall-mounted TV ensures uninterrupted binge-watching of your favorite series, while the large, cozy lounge encourages networking with fellow residents and seamless streaming with high-speed Wi-Fi. Located near the University of Central Lancashire and Preston College, daily academic commutes are effortless. Step outside to discover charming cafes like Tuscany Cafe or I Smile Cafe, inviting you to savor artisanal blends. Nearby, the Harris Museum, Art Gallery, and Library offers cultural enrichment, while nightlife awaits at venues like the 12 Tellers and Baluga Bar and Club. Convenient commute options save you both time and money. Don't hesitate. Visit amberstudent.com today and secure your ideal stay at Oxheys Court Preston.